Are we on? Is the camera rolling? And is my camera on more
The audio
importantly?
check has happened. Let's go.
Okay. So good to see you, Smriti Irani. Tell us about Alliance for Global Good.
Well, it's an amalgamation of people who want to ensure equity and equality in gender. It's a global landscape where people from companies, investments, ecosystems, policymakers, they all converge. We began it at the World Economic Forum in Davos, and the intention was that India has led very well on issues of gender through polity, and on the international geopolitical space done well to mainstream gender, especially at the G20. And I believe that this discourse will be, I think, very beneficial for governments and in corporations at large. And that is why the World Economic Forum was that destination where this new pathway should begin at. Today, we have close to 10,000 companies globally which are attached to this endeavor. We have, through the Alliance, helped create the first ever secretariat in the CII, which is the Confederation of All India Industries, the only such initiative globally ever. We've ensured that close to 127 chapters of it has opened up in India, which means that more and more voices in support of women, more and more female voices with regards to economic prospects which have a social impact. This is the direction India is given, and this is an example that the world now follows.
Fantastic. So you've been associated with the IAA Voice of Change for a while now. What do you think? Is there a need to take it bigger and deeper? And what I mean by deeper is you see these big fancy conferences that happen in metros and upper SEC classes attending. But don't you think there's a bigger need to take this down to more of rural India?
I think that the biggest presumption was that gender discourse is skewed only in rural areas. We have to take into acknowledgement that female infanticide was also a part of geographies such as South Bombay.
Yes.
That is something that is not
Delhi
Bombay.
as well.
Yes, but predominantly South Bombay. The worst numbers came from South Bombay. The fact that South Bombay is something that you want to defend just shows you how deep-seated the unconscious bias is. So, one, the Advertisers Association, for them to have this discourse, this deliberation in cities, and to have this summit or conclaves with regards to leaders in various industry facets, that is a given. That was a need of the hour because they began their journey early. But at the same time, you have the potential to make sure that you impact grassroots as well. There is a lot of presumption about gender bias, and that it only is a challenge. Let's say, as an example, domestic violence. Domestic violence is not a challenge only in rural India or in the poorer part of our society.
It exists everywhere.
In fact, you'd be shocked that the numbers in urban India are far more.
That gives me a cue for the next question. As far as the laws are concerned, and I'm a complete advocate of that, right? Broadly put, I'm not a legal expert, but broadly put, as far as the laws are concerned, a man is held guilty till proven innocent to a great extent
Then
for
what
crimes
is-
against women.
So anybody who has read the law possibly would not agree with you. For instance, the laws about protecting women from rape, in fact, has a clause that if a lady misuses the law, then it is punishable. That's what I'm saying. So somebody who does not read the law or know the law would possibly have a position such as yourself, that it is skewed against men. It is not. Every law has a facet where misreporting or presentation of false evidence is punishable by law. Yeah.
How do you think, what all views do you have for IAA Voice of Change to take it to a bigger platform?
I think that we have to do a grassroots activation of possibilities where your client list can engage deeper to have a more broader impact on issues which are social challenges today. There is a lot of contribution that can come from the IAA ecosystem with regards to vulnerable communities and children, and I think that that is yet to be leveraged completely.
Thank you for being part of IAA Voice of Change.
Thank you.
Smriti Irani, it's always a pleasure. Thank you so much.